Today, we're sharing effective tips to increase engagement on your Facebook business page in 2025. Engagement is more than just likes. It includes comments, shares, and interactions that help your page reach a wider audience. The more your audience interacts with your content, the more visible your page becomes, which ultimately helps grow your brand. First, focus on posting high quality and relevant content. Share posts that educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. Use eye-catching images, short videos, or graphics to make your posts stand out in the feed. Valuable content encourages users to react, comment, and share, increasing overall engagement. Next, ask questions and create polls. People love to share their opinions, and posts that invite participation naturally get more comments. Simple prompts like, "Which product do you like best?" or "Tell us your favorite tip," encourage your audience to interact with your page. Another important tip is responding to comments and messages promptly. Engagement works both ways. When you reply to your audience, it shows that you care and value their input. This not only builds trust, but also encourages more people to comment because they know they will get a response. You can also use live videos and stories to boost interaction. Live content feels personal and authentic, giving your audience the chance to engage in real time. Stories are short, visually engaging, and appear at the top of the feed, making them perfect for polls, quick tips, or behind-the-scenes updates. Finally, encourage sharing and reviews. Ask satisfied customers to share your posts or leave a review on your page. Positive reviews and user-generated content increase credibility and inspire others to interact with your brand. Tagging and featuring your audience in posts also helps boost engagement. By implementing these strategies, you can increase interaction on your Facebook business page, reach more people, and build a loyal community in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more tips to grow your social media presence.